Sure. Okay, ready? Hand out, like straight out. Straight arm. Bend your hand.
Why
Like this.
like
No, it
this?
seems a little weird. You can't have it like that, alright? Like imagine this coming out like this. Boom, you want to catch it, alright?
Okay.
Yeah, like that. Okay, ready?
Yeah! That was good!
Chin,
You got it.
and throw it to me, not super hard because I'm close. Just, but yeah.
Nice, Milo. You're a natural.
Bend your knees a little bit. Kind of want to be kind of with it, okay? Not hand up, not like this. Out.
Scoop out, Gus.
Like you're doing this to me, alright?
Over by me.
Like that. Memorize it. Feel how that feels. Ready? Here it comes. No, not that hand.
Move your glove to match the ball.
There you watch
Move the mitt.
ball. Keep your eye on the ball at all times. Move the glove to grab it. And then do you know how to grab?
Squeeze it. Squeeze it together.
No. Sorry.
Hug! What the heck?
He's just having fun.
Gus, show me your banana.
Squeeze that together.
Bonillo!
It's like this. Yeah, okay. So what you're going to want to do, yeah, pretty much. You want to catch, it's going to come like this. You're going to have your hand out like that. Okay. And then when it comes in, you're going to want to squeeze. Put your hand like that to grab it. Hold this. But you don't grab with your left hand because
Grab with the mitt.
that'll hurt. The reason you have a big glove like that is because the ball's going to be coming much faster than I'm throwing it. You gotta
Scoot back,
grab
Gus.
it. Ready?
Scoot back towards me.
No, wrong hand.